Hey guys, welcome back to On TV Hacks. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use the Google Chrome browser on your ON streaming device. For this demonstration, I'll be using the ON 4K streaming box, but the installation process is similar across most Android TV and Google TV streaming devices. So first, using your remote, go to the top menu and select the settings icon on the right. Scroll down and choose System, then select About from the list. Now scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. This is the key step, so pay attention. Click on this option 7 times continuously. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, a message will pop up saying, "You are now a developer." That means you've successfully completed this. Next, press the Home button once on your remote. And let's move on to installing the Downloader app. This app will let us install all your favorite apps on your ONN device. Navigate to the top menu and select Apps. Then, search for Downloader using the search bar. There are several apps named Downloader, but we need this one, which is at the top of the list. Click Install, and within a few minutes, the Downloader app will be ready. While it's downloading, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions to work properly. Click on the hashtag icon and type this code 8533602. This code will redirect you to my On TV Hacks downloader page, where all the apps are neatly organized for you to install. Here, all the apps are organized into different categories. To install Google Chrome, first select the Utilities category. Then, scroll down until you find the Chrome browser. Once you find it, simply select the Download button. The APK file will now begin downloading, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. As soon as the download is complete, the installation screen will appear. From here, select Install and wait for the process to finish. Once Chrome has been installed successfully, select Done instead of opening the app right away. You will now return to the Downloader screen. Select Delete and then select Delete once again to remove the APK file and free up storage space on your streaming device. Now, head back to your home screen and look for Chrome in your installed apps list. If you can't find it in your installed apps, don't worry. Simply head over to Settings, select Apps, and then choose See All Apps. From here, scroll through the list, and you should see the Chrome app we just installed. Now, select Chrome, and then choose Open to launch the browser. As you can see, I've successfully opened Google Chrome. However, there's one major issue. The standard ONN TV remote is not fully compatible with the browser. To navigate Chrome properly, you'll need to install the Mouse Toggle app, which allows you to control an on-screen cursor using your ONN remote. Once Mouse Toggle is enabled, simply activate the cursor and move it around the screen using the directional buttons on your remote. You can then select the address bar, open links, scroll through websites, and use Chrome much more easily. I've already created a complete Mouse Toggle installation guide, so you can watch that video using the link in the description below. Hope you found this video helpful. Since the channel is new, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more On TV streaming tips, tutorials, and app guides. Also, be sure to visit ontvhacks.com, where you'll find detailed step-by-step guides, app tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and everything you need to get the most out of your On TV device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.